Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. Your boy Hollywood here, and we are back with another product review. I know some people might have a little mixed feelings about things, and they're like, oh, you don't need them, or just get a quieter helmet, or this, and that. But today we're going to be reviewing the EARGASM earplugs. I currently have them in right now. I've been running them since before Miami, wore them all the way through Miami, and I love them. So we're going to jump right into it and give you guys a video on why I love these headphones. Alright, before we start the video, we're going to give you guys a little cold start. Well, hot cold start. Woo! Alright, starting off with number one, and sorry if I'm kind of screaming a little bit. I'm going to try to fix it in post, but I'm trying this new setup. Like, the mic is stuffed more behind my cheek pad. I got two dead cats and a windsock on it, so I'm trying to get this audio dialed in for you guys. I'm currently filming on the DJI Osmo Action 4, and in the last video, you guys said that the quality is crispy as hell. So I'm very glad that I got this camera, but at the same time, I need to figure out my audio because it's going to drive me insane. Anyways, jumping right into the video. Number one, do they actually work? From my experience, I'm pretty sure for anybody else's experience, yes, they work. But do they work to the extent that EARGASM said on their website? They have this little filter in the middle of the earplug allowing you to still be able to hear crispy clear audio, whether it's like you're at a music festival, like let's just say your CARDO in your helmet, anything like that. It's going to muffle out the very loud decibel noises, but still allow you to hear crispy clear audio such as music and stuff like that. So that's why a lot of motorcycle riders like to use these earplugs, because they do just that. And yes, they do work. Alright, number two, the Fitment. Alright, so when they first come to you, you open the box. They are inside the bigger ear canal earplugs. I put them in, went for a ride, didn't know it. Obviously, because who needs instructions, right? I put them in and they just kept falling out because my ears are on the smaller side. So I was ready to just throw them away and be like, no, I'm not using this anymore. But I went back, went back to the drawing board. Said, okay, they have smaller earplugs, or maybe these are the smaller earplugs. Let me go home and do some investigating. And it turns out I had the bigger ones in. I swapped them out for the smaller ones, and they fit perfect. Now, the only thing is, after if you're wearing them for a while, and this is just me, my personal issue with my ear canal, and me wearing stuff for a long time, like AirPods, stuff like that, AirPods, sorry. Yeah, when I get to smiling, or I talk a lot in a video, or I'm laughing or whatever, those things tend to fall out. It's not a big deal, because 9 times out of 10 I'm wearing my Dynasty Shiesty. So I just about lost my life. I'm wearing my Dynasty Shiesty, so it kind of keeps them in my ear, but not all the way in my ear, if that makes sense. So I mean, I think you're just gonna have to just shove them up in there, brother. Just shove it in, brother. Hey, yo, boss. But yeah, I think if you just force it in there pretty far, and keep a shiesty on or something like that, it'll make your experience that much more better. And so far, that was my little workaround to it, even though it still comes out here and there, but it is what it is. A product can't be 100% perfect, or it can't fit every single person's ear canal, but it is what it is. Moving on to number three, sound quality. Alright, like I was saying, it allows you to be able to still hear music clearly. Alright, I put them in my ears, and I was able to actually hear my CARDO a lot louder. Now, mind you, I have the Pista clone. I have the Corsa R. This helmet is a lot louder than a Pista, I've been told, but I think it's about equal between a Corsa R and a Pista. Yeah, either way, they're both. I mean, sorry, they're both loud helmets, right? And I put these headphones in. Ooh, look at that, boy! Look at that! Ooh. I put these headphones in, or Jesus Christ, I put these earplugs in, and it muffles all the wind noise, it muffles my bike noise, it muffles everything it's supposed to muffle, but I can still hear my CARDO very clearly, and I like that. Actually, I love that, because beforehand, I could never answer phone calls, I could never listen to my music very well. And now I can hear, even because some music is a little bit lower than the rest of your music on your playlist or whatever, or just songs in general. And I'm able to hear all those songs. I'm able to fucking rap while I'm riding, you know what I'm saying? I'm able to enjoy having my CARDO in my helmet. So moving on to number 4, alright? So number 4, noise reduction, even though I kind of touched on it just a little bit already. Like I said, it reduces the wind noise very well. It reduces the bike noise very well. Like, I rode around in Miami with like crazy loud ass bikes all fucking weekend, and I didn't have one problem hearing my CARDO when I had it paired up with my buddy's CARDO. So that's a win-win in my book. Moving on to number 5, overall quality. Alright, I actually love the quality because it's like a silicone material. It's not like some rubber plastic bull crap, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a really good high quality material, and I love that the little centerpiece is interchangeable between different earphones. So like, you can buy multiple pairs and still use the same ones and put them in the different kinds, because they have like a glow in the dark pair, like a pink pair, blue, like any pair that you ever want. But mine's having to be clear with the gold inserts because, you know, gold everything, you know what I'm saying? Your boy Boozy, alright? But yeah, that's that. Moving on to number 6, price point. How much are these earplugs, Hollywood? Alright, I'm here to tell you. If you go on Amazon, they are $50. And I know what you're thinking. Well, Hollywood, I can go buy some other earplugs. I can go buy some non-reusable earplugs for like $50 and it comes with a pack of 400. Alright, I get that. But these are one pair of earplugs that you're gonna, let's just say hypothetically you never lose these earplugs. This is one pair that does it all. Like, you can take these to a music festival and still hear your audio. You can take these on a bike ride, still hear your CARDO. You can take these mountain biking, cycling, I don't want to say swimming because I don't think it's meant for that, but like I said, festival, music, rave, anything. Like, compared to like the silicone ones they sell online, the pack of like 400 for like 20 bucks. Those are not, technically they're not reusable. And then it's not going to let you be able to hear any music or anything like that coming in to the actual earplug like these will. So that's why I went ahead and bought these. And I know I was watching S1K Rockets live not too long ago, and someone asked him about his earplug that he uses, and he had the box of like 400 or whatever. Just takes them, just grabs them a handful on a trip or something and just plugs them in. Like I was saying, I would do that, but like I said, these earplugs that I have in now, they allow me to hear my music and everything perfectly. And I think he said that using those you can do the same, but I don't know. Like, I've used those before, and me personally, I've just never been able to hear anything with those. Like, it just blocks everything out. And it's important to be able to hear what you have earplugs in, because, you know, it could be anything, like emergency vehicles coming through, anything. Like, what if someone's coming up behind you, like a semi, and they can't brake, but they're on their horn? You know what I'm saying? Like, you're probably not going to hear it until they're like right up on you and it's a little too late. But with these headphones, I mean, these earplugs, it's just phenomenal, man. So yeah, I'm going to give these earplugs, I'm going to give them an 8.5 out of 10, just because, you know, wearing them for a long time, it kind of like slips out of my ear. Hey, what up? It kind of like slips out of my ear personally, but, you know, like I said, it is what it is. You know, a product cannot be 100% efficient, 100% perfect. There's going to be some flaw in it that somebody's going to find, and it just so happens that I found it for myself. But like I said, yes, and just really clear, like, I'm not affiliated with EARGASM at all. So before anybody says like, oh, well, you do all these product reviews and you're just like, yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a video where you're bashing a company. Nah, bro. Like, I only review things that I think I will like. And then when I order it and I get it and I use it, and it's like, damn, I love this product, so I'm going to do a review on it. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment down below if you agree, if you disagree, all that good jazz. And don't forget, when you get ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace!